It's just so intriguing, the mushroom, because it's not a plant and it's not an animal. It's something completely different. But I don't even really understand, right? Like, could you just give me a breakdown to a layman, simplified for dummies answer on what is the difference between a mushroom and an animal and a plant? How is it somewhere in the middle, or is it in the middle? What's the deal
No,
with
no,
mushrooms?
they are completely different. And I think science teaching in school has let us down a little bit because science in general has only focused on biology and zoology, which is your plants and your animals. And yet there are these things which actually kind of started life on land. And there is a whole unique family that, well, in biological terms, it's called a kingdom. And again, we can get into that a little bit, but the animal kingdom, the plant kingdom, the fungal kingdom, they are all separate from each other. They are biologically very different from each other.
Wow. So, how is a mushroom different from a plant?
Well, in many ways, mushrooms are more like us. Um, Plants are very reliant on mushrooms out in the wild as well, or at least when we say mushrooms, let's just take a quick step back here because when people think of mushrooms, what they're actually thinking of is the fruit of an organism, and the body of the organism is actually mycelium and it lives permanently underground. And the mushrooms are only the little bit that pokes out to drop its spores. So when you pick a mushroom, you're not killing the organism, you're just picking its fruit in the same way you're picking an apple off a tree.
Oh, so it's similar to a plant, but it's a literal living thing. Now it doesn't have legs. It doesn't walk around. It's
Oh,
just
well, it does some very interesting things underground. They will seek out food. And if the mycelium has like these little arms that grow and they grow very quickly and they can join with each other, and basically they're always on the hunt for food, and if they get to a region where there's food they will congregate around it, or if they reach somewhere that isn't good for them they'll actually back off and move somewhere else. Interestingly, the map of the Tokyo railroad system was created using fungi. They basically used a study of the geology of the that part of Japan, and they
yeah.
used a slime mold, and it showed them the most efficient ways to run all the routes.
Wow.
So I mean that's just one crazy way.